Dear students, in our previous class, we had discussed the unit 1 of lesson 5, our runaway kite. Let us recapitulate what we had discussed in that class. Claude, his sister Philippa, and their father lived on the big Half Moon Island. It was a desolate island. There was no other people except these three people. The father of Claude and Philippa was the keeper of the lighthouse. Now, what is a lighthouse? A lighthouse is a tall tower-like structure that gives signals to the ships. So, Claude and Philippa's father was the keeper of the lighthouse. But now, at present, there are 6 people on the island. Aunt Esther, the aunt of Dick and the aunt of Claude and Philippa, her 2 sons Mimi and Dick were also living on the big Half Moon Island. How this happened will be described by Philippa, and she says that there was a family reunion because of the kite. Now, Claude and Philippa had one problem. There was nobody for them to play with on the island. There were no other children. They had to play together. But in winter, what happened? In winter, the water around the island turned into ice, and they had to leave the island and go to the mainland. When they went to the mainland, people pitied them. Pity means to have sympathy. Why did the people pity them? The people pitied them because they had no one to play with. And they also thought that they were very lonesome. That means they had to stay alone because there were no other children on the island. But according to Philippa, what the people thought about them was funny. Not that Claude and Philippa wanted many children on the island. It is true that while playing some kinds of games, they thought that some other children would have made it better. For example, when they played pirate games, they wanted more children because pirates should be many in number. Pirates, that means robbers of the seas, Jolodosh. They had to play together. Only 2 pirates is not a very good way to play pirate games. But there were other problems if there were many children. For example, if there are many children, they quarreled among themselves. For example, when Claude and Philippa went to the mainland in winter, they quarreled with the mainland children. But Claude and Philippa never quarreled. They never fell out. In spring, they sailed back to Big Half Moon Island. When Claude and Philippa went to the mainland, they found that the mainland children had relatives, but they had no relatives except their father. This thing confused them. Why did they have no relative? All the mainland children had relatives. Why did not they have relatives? They thought that perhaps they had no relatives because they lived on an island. And they also thought that having an uncle, an aunt, cousins would have been a very good thing. One day they asked father why they had no relatives. But when this question was asked, father became very sad, and he said that it was all his fault. And Philippa and Claude did not understand what their father meant, and they also thought that they should not have asked their father about their relatives. We have finished Unit 1. Now we are starting Unit 2. Open your books at page 40, Unit 2. It is always lovely on the big half moon in summer. Big half moon is the name of the island. In summer, it was very beautiful. That means the weather was very beautiful in summer on Big Half Moon Island. When it is fine, the harbor is blue and calm, with little wind and ripples. When it is fine, what is meant by the term fine? Fine means pleasant. When it is summer, the weather is fine, the harbor is blue and calm. What is meant by the term harbor? In our previous class, we had discussed what is meant by the term harbor. The word harbor means port, bondar, where the ships come to take rest. But it is a shelter for ships. So in summer, the sea around the harbor is of blue color. It is calm. Calm means it is tranquil, shanto. There are no big waves. There is little wind. That means no strong wind blows, and there are ripples. Ripple means small waves, not the big ones. Only small waves can be seen on the sea in summer. Every summer we had some hobby. We know what a hobby is. A hobby is a kind of recreation that helps us to pass our leisure hours. The last summer, before Dick and Mimi came, we were crazy about kites. What is meant by the term crazy? The word crazy comes from the word craze. Craze means great interest. So before the arrival of Dick and Mimi, you remember who Dick and Mimi are? Dick and Mimi were the cousins of Claude and Philippa. They were the cousins, the son and daughter of Aunt Esther. Before their arrival, Claude and Philippa had great interest in kites. A boy on the mainland showed Claude how to make them. Claude did not know how to make kites. A boy on the mainland had taught Claude how to make kites. Back on the island, we made plenty of kites. Plenty means many. When they returned to the island, they made plenty of kites. This video comes to an end. I will upload another video.